You must be mad with yourself if in 2022 you're not thinking about jumping online and starting your own online business. The problem is though, where do you start with all the confusion that's out there online? Luckily, I've created an ebook to help people who want to have these digital skills in their back pocket to live a better lifestyle. And you'll find that the ebook takes all the guesswork out of launching your own online business, and it gives you the exact blueprint that can quickly set you on your way to growing your income online, and that's without needing any existing products, services, or even any online ideas. And you can get your completely free copy of my ebook today just by clicking the link on your screen right now. You could end up being like Mike, who's over 50, no previous experience online, who completely replaced his income within 6 months, and now he's got 3 online businesses working less than 10 hours a week. And if you want to be like Mike and have the ability to earn an income from home or anywhere with an internet connection and your laptop, then click the Learn More button, drop me your details to find out what online strategy is going to suit you and your lifestyle the best. Just picture what you could do with your life, with your day, if you've got the digital skills to earn an income working less than 10 hours a week. Surely it's going to enable you to live a happier, healthier and much more well-balanced lifestyle, not just for you but for your family as well. And as a special bonus today, I'll send you the free ebook, of course, designed for beginners, plus I'll also send you some free training that got me started straight to your inbox. Click the Learn More button now to get all the info straight away. And just remember, you're the one with the power to live life on your own terms. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.